Tie ball game, 5-5. Shot 11. We got a little technical shot. What is it? Up there in the,
yeah, it's gonna be fun.
the tree. Home.
It's a big circle.
Almost hug that tree. I can kind of see it fucking.
I don't know either.
Right. Again.
Oh, really? I got you.
You got me. 6-5 too.
That's a good shot.
7 yards. 6-5. Tim's up on shot 12. Shooting at this.
A wolf back there?
Yeah, wolf underneath the log. Curious if they hit the nail or not.
I don't know.
It's pretty
I
low.
don't think so.
We're gonna find out.
Seems like it's far back there. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Peep
Right
sight.
here in just a second.
You hit it.
Only left.
That sounded weird. It tracked over that twig. Alright, left again.
Yep, left again. This is what you're shooting through. Whoop, maybe. There you go. I just barely got him. 7-5. Target number 13. We got a little pig at 45 yards. Straight downhill.
Score 7-5.
7-5.
Tim's up.
Oh, okay. That changes things.
Tall people problems.
People beg to differ on me being tall. I went right. That tree was.
Man, that's still a phenomenal shot, dude. You're up and down. That's where it needs to be. Kind of dial her in there. Hug that tree.
Yes. Oh.
And I don't know. Closer to the center. And the left and right.
All right. Let's see. That's 8-5.
Yeah, that's kind of impressive. Maybe.
Made it all the way down here.
Rolling bones. Shot 14. Tim's up 8-5.
Yeah. Good course so far.
Very technical and very hard terrain.
Oh my gosh, back.
Up and down, up, down.
Yeah.
Up, down, more ups and downs. But really good shots. Lots of tight windows through trees. Yeah. Not here. Just a little left. Your elevation's perfect though. Like 48.
No, you're right. It's 47.
I'm left with you.
Yep.
More or less than you guys.
Just a little bit.
I can tell. Body's winded.
Yeah. Wex is going for the 14 on that one, so. No, I'm not giving you that.
9.5.
9.5. I'm just kidding.
At 37. 10.5. Or no, 9.5. 10's up. Shot 15.
I'm sweating.
Yeah, that one got me good. My hands are soaked. A little bear through the opening. A little right, but not bad.
Mm-hmm. Low? 10.5.
Any room for me to 38.2 on a black ram. Shot 16. Tim is up 10 to 5. 5 targets remaining.
That was on the front shoulder. We'll see when you got there. I don't really know.
It went through the
I think you're left. Right. Rolling Bones is mine. That was low.
56. Shot 17. Tim has won the competition on Rolling Bones by mathematical elimination.
Alright, I'm gonna go for that crease. I don't really know where the wings are on this.
Tacticam.
Oh, that was beautiful.
That looks.
It's just a little left, but I mean, that's kind of where I was aiming.
I mean, it's impressive. You can see a crease on there now. I can't. I see it right now.
Strike. Not bad shots. 55 yards of the turkey.
Not terrible.
Alright. Target 18, 40 yards. I don't know what kind of deer that is.
You smoked the center of that thing.
You're gonna Robin Hood what?
I don't know if I will.
That's okay.
Well,
Left again.
well, I was right.
Money shot.
Targets 19, 20, 21.
There you go.
RBO. I got a couple hogs and 3 hogs down there.
This might take a tree out right here. Nope. I went right on it.
I didn't even know which one you were shooting at.
Oh.
But I got all 3 in the frame, so. Little hogs behind tree. Middle's a black hog, and then a big one, all about 32-ish yards.
33.5.
My shot 10 just a tad right. There you're in the target, just right in the crack of it.
Ooh, good shot.
You said to go at it.
You did. Nice shot.
Figured it out, Tim.
You did.
15 targets too late.
Just like that. Good shooting.
Hard one.
Good thing you didn't shoot like this throughout the course.
I know. Just found a way to
You smoked me, guys.
through.
It's good shooting though.